Hi, welcome to my channel Creative IT Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Hi, today we'll learn how to copy and paste formatting of text in Microsoft Word. For these shortcuts, first we do some formatting to paste it elsewhere. We'll show you the magic of copy and paste formatting. It's a game changer for consistent and professional looking documents. But first, we see Format Painter in Clipboard box. It's a quick format painter tool to copy and paste your text formatting. First select text you want to copy style, and a brush is appear. Then drag and drop brush from your entire paragraph or lines. It copy your style only one time. If you want to copy formatting again, then again click on Format Painter and follow your last process. But we need shortcut in every field of life, so can't wait, I tell you. First select text, and then press Ctrl+Shift+C. To paste formatting, select text you want to apply formatting, then press Ctrl+Shift+V. It doesn't work one time, you can do it again and again. It gives you just quick and easy formatting. So, what's the advantage? It saves time, keeps your documents looking sharp, and ensures a consistent and polished appearance throughout your work. A true time saver for anyone working in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.